Well, July is a great time to get out into your garden in South Australia. It might be a little bit cold, but that beautiful crisp winter air really invigorates you and makes you feel alive. So in the south of the state, it's a great time to be planting fruit trees. There's apples and apricots, plums, peaches and the cherries. I love fruit trees because they give you beautiful, luscious fruit that you can just go into your backyard and pick off the tree. Just come into a Bunnings store where our team of experts will help you choose the right tree for your garden. July is a great time to be planting shrubs like nandinas, lavenders, fuchsias, camellias and everyone's favourite, the bare-rooted roses. The perfect plant promise is that all our plants except seedlings are guaranteed for 12 months and that if you're not 100% satisfied, you can return them to the store with the receipt and we'll happily refund or replace them. July is a great time to get your winter veggies in. Beans, cauliflower, rhubarb are all great to get started now. July is citrus time, so your lemons, limes and oranges should be full of juice and filling the tree. Avocados, cauliflower and cabbage are all ready for the table. The roses especially should be pruned at this time and spray them for any pests or fungal diseases. Don't be scared about pruning roses, they love a good cutback. And for more details, see our how-to video. Feed all winter veggies and fruit trees. Have a good look at your lawn, see if there's any weeds. You should get rid of them right away. Pea straw and sugarcane are great mulches. They not only protect your plants, they also break down and feed your plants later in the year. So there you have it. There are plenty of jobs you can do in July to keep your garden looking fantastic. If you have any questions, just drop into your local Bunnings and our expert team there will be able to help keep your garden looking great. Click here for more gardening advice or click here to go back to the website.